Our next step is to import all the necessary packages, which includes Pandas, NumPy, NLTK Natural Language Processing Toolkit, Stopwords, Porter Stemmer, Count Vectorizer, TFIDF Vectorizer, and Word2Vector. I am explaining you Pandas and NumPy now. Other packages we will learn when we use it in our project. Pandas is a high-level data manipulation tool. We use Pandas to read data, and manipulating our data, joining tables and much more. We will learn more about Pandas as we move forward in project. NumPy is a Python package that stands for Numerical Python. NumPy is a general-purpose array processing package. It provides a high-performance multi-dimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays. It is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python.
We have imported all the necessary packages which we will use in our project. Our next step is to read our data using Pandas. By writing a simple code pandas.readcsv and giving the directory where your data is stored. We store our data in a variable df. Next we will perform exploratory data analysis or EDA. EDA is very basic step of any machine learning problem. As in EDA we analyze our dataset using statistic as well as visualization. We will perform ADA step by step. First we get the head of dataset using a simple code df.head which prints the top 5 data points from dataset. We can see all the 10 different columns which I have explained earlier. Now we can see that score feature is not categorical, it have numerical values, but our objective is to categorize the reviews in positive and negative, so we convert the score into categorical data using simple line of code such that score 1 and 2 are negative score and score 1 and 5 are positive score. Now we will perform preprocessing of dataset. Preprocessing is a step in which we clean our data such remove stop words, remove or fill missing values, remove HTML tags or punctuation marks. We perform each step to clean our data and make it optimized to apply machine learning on our dataset. Remember, real-world data is never perfect, it always contains missing values, duplicated values and errors in data, so preprocessing is the very important step of any machine learning problem. We will perform the preprocessing step by step. First step, we remove the duplicate item from the dataset which the user may have entered mistakenly. In second step we will remove all data points where helpfulness numerator is greater than denominator, as it should always be less than denominator, as helpfulness numerator says about number of people found that review useful, and helpfulness denominator is about useful review count plus not so useful count. So, from this we can see that helpfulness numerator is always less than or equal to helpfulness denominator. Our third step is converting all the words to lowercase and removing punctuation and HTML tags. Also we will perform stemming, in which we convert the words to their base word or stem word. For example, words like tastefully, tasty, are converted to stem word called tasty. This reduces the vector dimension because we don't consider all similar words. Also we remove stop words, which are the unnecessary words that even if they are removed the sentiment of the sentence does not change. For example, words like this, is, so are stop words which are removed. The code for performing these preprocessing steps is given below. Also I will provide all this code in the description box as well as comment section. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I am handing over the tutorial to Joe.